Experience driving perfection in the 2014 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 25,000 kilometers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.